me harder, like water. Y'all already know I was up to something. You know I gotta have the music going. I don't know, have y'all heard of that, but Tubi. Of course, me watching Tubi movies, y'all. I like this song. Her name is Rick. I'm gonna do the screenshot, but y'all know who this is, so y'all can download this song or listen to this song, okay? It's called Baby Mama. It's nice. I ain't trying to be nobody else's baby mama. I only got one son. That's all I need for life. Unfortunately, that's it. This one. But the song is bad, though. And that gets me like, go deep. If I could sing, I'll make you holler. I'm crazy. But anyways, I'm glad y'all back to my channel. So welcome back. Welcome back. Keep babies and keep happy. How y'all doing out there? I am doing a birthday Shein haul. So I ordered my birthday outfits. I don't know how they're going to turn out. I don't know if stuff going to fit on me right. Because I done lost a little weight. I was up and down at one point. But I done lost a little bit. Hey. So I'm going to try on these outfits. I think my total for the clothes I got was like $150 or maybe $146. I don't know, something like that. I don't really know. This is not sponsored. So this is what it came in, a box. So you know it's a lot of stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And y'all continue to watch this video. So this is for you. Let me know in the comment your favorite fit. And I might have to wear it on my birthday. My birthday is March the 8th. My birthday is March the 8th. Hey. I said it's March the 8th. That's why I'm out of breath. Okay. Let me just go ahead and pick up my first outfit. I wanted to show y'all like how much stuff it was. I didn't get to show y'all that. It's a big box of stuff. I'm going to put it in this chair. Y'all can see what I got. Okay. We're going to put this box over here. I'm going to put my first outfit on. Hey. Okay. Oh, something you want. Wait down. Okay, my hair is not going to be perfect the whole video. I hope y'all know this little boppity bop, boppity boppity boop up here. I don't got no gel on my hair or nothing. Y'all know how I'm natural anyway. But anyways, this is the first top. These shorts don't go with this. The shorts I did get from Shein last year though. But it's this top I wanted to show y'all. I'm going to wear, of course, a black bra. That's going to be real cute. See, I got the knocker blockers out. Yeah. This is in an extra large. This shirt's in an extra large. And I want to put on the other stuff with it. I might as well do it with y'all, really. So this is a skirt. My biggest fear of what I got, that I'm not going to be able to fit it. These are jeans, y'all, with buttons on them. And they, like, button up. I think these are adorable. I don't know if I'm going to be able to fit them. I'm so afraid that I'm not going to be able to get in these, y'all. So I'm going to wait to do them last. I had to get them. They were so freaking cute. I think these are my jackets. Because I got some jackets. I got my jackets a little bigger. I got big arms. Y'all see how big my arms are? Okay, fatties. Okay. So I got my jacket in a 3X, I believe. This one in the 3X. The black one I got is in a 2X, I believe. Just to make sure, like, it can fit on my arms, which it can. I was okay getting a 2X. I didn't know, though. I was worried. So, this is my jacket, if I can get it. Around. Okay, so this is the jacket. Okay. Thank you. Okay, mama. I might buy you ice, mama. Hope that pussy tight, mama. This love at first sight, mama. It's in here somewhere. Okay, this is my skirt. Fingers crossed, y'all. I hope I can fit this skirt. So this is the skirt that came with the jacket. I'm nervous. Because I don't know how it's going to fit on me, y'all. That's why I'm nervous. Like, I don't know if it's going to be tight. Y'all see it? Y'all see it going up perfect. Oh! Oh! I didn't even have to suck in my stomach. This kid... Stop playing with me. Stop. This cute. Y'all like it? said. And then the stockings I'm going to wear with this, of course, they fishnet stockings. They're black. I ordered them too. Even though I have 1,000 pairs. Fishnet stockings, and I got some black boots with this. Because I don't wear heels. I like to dance. And my feet. I work out all day. My feet going to be hurting. This cute though. Hey. Turn me up. I can see me in the club. Oh, I see I can't dance too much. Because in the back, it goes up. I like this stuff. What y'all think? And this is a good combination with this shirt and this. I do have another bodysuit, I believe. It's black. And then I have a lot of, I got like the lingerie pieces I can wear with this. I got a lot of black shirts though. Tell me what you think. Birthday fit, going out to eat. What y'all think? Did I do a good job? Okay, on to the next one. She said, tell me what's your zodiac sign. Stop playing with me. Big dude. So yes, and freaking yes. Yeah, I know I gotta put this on here like this. Y'all think about do this right now with y'all? No. Unfortunately, no. This is too much time for me to be doing all this. But it fit on these fat legs. Stop! What y'all think? Y'all know they go just like this. I'm gonna do one for y'all. Because y'all ain't like, y'all not about to do all this. Gotta take it apart. Oh, no. When I actually wear this outfit, one day I'll take a picture of it and then I'll put it on my YouTube page or Facebook. That's how it go. They fit on my fat legs. Ladies, please don't be discouraged. Get you some Shein. Okay. Daddy's up here. Cause I got some thighs. Oh, stop playing with me. Okay, on to the next outfit. Oh, I'm scared. What size is this? I forget. Whew, 1X. It got a little zipper on it. I need to unzip it, I think. Woo, I hope this ain't too big. That's what I'm afraid of. It'll fit on my, oh man, I'm getting nervous. When I can slide it up like that, that's when I'm nervous. Okay, hold on. Okay, it's cool. I don't know what way it goes though, yeah. Probably not this way. Probably goes this way. The zipper's probably on the side. Maybe the zipper stay on the side. This comes with a jacket as well. Let me find it. Black jean. So it can go with either one. And I think this one is in a 2X. I always say it's perfect. Oh my God. Okay. So that's on that. I kind of messed that up kind of good. Like this didn't even go with this, but I put it together because that's what I do. But this can either go with this skirt because it's kind of chilly outside. With these, it's good match with these. I did that. Let me tell you. What y'all think though? Cause I'm a real. Okay. With a little stomach out, I'm just playing. I do have other shirts, so let me go ahead and put that on for y'all. Okay, so this is a bodysuit. Y'all see it? This is in a 1X or extra large, y'all. Wow. I like it. Y'all gonna find out why I like it. Y'all know I like show a little slant. But y'all gonna see why I really like this. This is nice. All right. Okay, and I have another orange shirt too. The orange got me going. I like this. It was when I was at work And I was talking to one of my coworkers. Her name is May, and she speaks in Spanish. But we know how to communicate, no matter what. Without using Google Translate, we can really talk to each other. It's great. And she was telling me how this is gonna look sexy. And she right, May. What you think, baby? I like this. And this is another bodysuit I got. Y'all see I had got this out too. It's orange and it's a bodysuit. And it is in a 1X. 1X, I believe. So. Alright. That'd be real cute with the black with the jacket on. That's gonna be like really neat. Actually, it's kind of neat now that I'm sitting here thinking about it. Like, be real cute with the bodysuit. I mean, y'all not gonna see that part, but with my, y'all about to really see what I'm about to put on. So y'all hold just a second. I'm gonna have to pause this and show y'all my preferences. Hey, are you coming or I need references? Yeah, cause I know it's always. Okay, so let's talk about this. I told you my hair is not gonna act right. I ain't gonna put no gel because I gotta wash my hair tonight. So, okay, this is this. First of all, they too big. I did not know how they was gonna fit. So these are white. Look, these go all the way up to my breast. But it don't even matter how this look because I'm wearing it with the skirt anyway. So it don't even matter. Or I'm wearing it with some shorts. I'm not gonna wear this like this. Like, no. Because this, I hate this part. I don't like that. Like, no, it's not cute. And I don't want to sit here and have to fold these up like this. Y'all see how I fold up like this? But this is how they look. It's cute. It's not bad at all. I love the orange. But I don't like the way this fit. And if I wear that skirt, I would have to roll these up to keep these pulled up. Or when I put the bodysuit on, put the bodysuit on where it holds it up like that. That's probably what I do. Instead of having the bodysuit like this, put it with the bodysuit like that. If y'all know what I'm trying to say. Okay. These are in a 2X, and this is, of course, in a 1X. This is the one that I was showing y'all earlier. Okay. Because you know it's always, what do you say? Let me put my song back on, y'all. Y'all can dance with me. Nasty. Next thing. Oh, yeah, before I do that, I want to show y'all these. Well, I know my boss be watching, so I can't show y'all what I got her, but I can show y'all some of the stuff that I got. I can't show y'all what I got for her. So I got earrings. I know they little kitty earrings, but it's cute. This is a thought about it. These are temperature thermometers. These are a water jug. If y'all can see it. This stuff is going to be so heavy on my ear. It don't make no sense. I didn't think about how heavy it was. They look cute when I was picking them out. This is, I can't show this one either. Because it's for my grandma. Like, I guess I can show y'all. Because I want my aunties, somebody watch the video before they get theirs. This is a beehive. My grandma's name was Bee. So, this is a beehive and a bee in there. These are earrings. I can't wait to give them to them. And this is a toilet paper. Because I'm be what? I'm be no. What? Some toilet paper. Okay, on to the next thing, y'all. Y'all know me. And I got some wine glasses. Look how thick these wine. They thick as I don't know what. They wine glasses. Too much. Too thick for me. They gonna fall out. Yeah, this is a black one. Just like the orange one, but it's black. Y'all see this out right here? Same thing. It's just long sleeve. Y'all know I got fat arms. I don't mind showing them though. Like, don't get it twisted. This is a bodysuit. This looks huge. Oh my God, I'm about to fit it. More fishnets, more fishnets. Over here, fishnets. I got two different ones. And I think this is the shirt. I want to say my other bodysuit. that I got. Yeah. I'm going to put that on last. I'm going to show y'all that last. This bodysuit last. That's really cute. So let me put this on, and I'll be right back with y'all. Right here. Wow, wow, child. Okay, this, I'm disappointed. Because I was like, let me get this in a 2X. I should have stuck with 1X. This is way too big. It's too big. Like, I have a lot of room. It's supposed to be kind of tight. You know? And it's not tight like it's supposed to be. So I can't wear this out. Dang, this is cute. Because it's a plain little, you know. Shake it up, shake it. I can't wear this though. It's way too big for me. It's supposed to be, even with my little fat bra, it's supposed to be like way tighter. Like, tight. I can't wear it. I'm so disappointed. Whew. Next time I'm going to go my first instinct. That's what I'm going to do. My first one. Y'all can tell me what y'all think in the comment section, but this ain't, I can't do nothing with it. Even if I put like a belt to try to fix it, it's like this part, it's this part for me. I don't like it. The length of it is cute because I had the perfect shoes to go with it. But it's not for me. Oh, man. All right, on to the last thing, y'all.
Every time I see your pretty brown eye contacts, I got your grip in your seat because I know your planets way good. Every time I see you smile back, I ain't pretty.
Wants to be yours. Okay, this is the bodysuit. I'm trying to pull it down, y'all, because it done rise on up. I got a black bra on this time. I should have had a black bra on the whole time I was doing the video, but I didn't have my blue one on, okay? I didn't know. It was my sports bra. Anyway, this is the, I can wear this with anything. So y'all know what that means, right? I can wear with anything, shorts, skirt, one of them outfits right there. I can wear it with my black boots. This is probably what I end up wearing anyway, because this is really cute. And this is the end of the video. I know you seem like I want to stay with y'all too. But I will be back on here again sometime soon. Maybe celebrate my birthday with me. I don't even know yet. We'll see how that turns out to be. But I try to bring more videos soon. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, hey. I said like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, hey. And share me out. Don't be a hater. Don't forget, my birthday is March the 8th. I will post that Cashapp, baby. Or we can do PayPal. I got PayPal. Y'all be safe, okay? I love y'all. Till next time.